Buongiorno paisani! We are 73 subscribers away from 500. We have 9 days left to do it, so please share. Encourage everyone to subscribe to the YouTube channel so that I can stream live in 9 days. Yes, 9 days. October 25th, we are having our gala benefiting the Cedars Cancer Foundation as well as the Lighthouse for palliative care children. They need our help, they need our support, and we're gonna be giving back to society and to the community, all in good fun. We're gonna have entertainment, we're gonna have food, we're gonna have dancing. It'll be amazing. So if you wanna watch, because you can't attend, you gotta get me up to 500 subscribers on YouTube so you can see it live. You can see what you're missing, you can see what's going on and what's happening, and it'll be my pleasure to show you everything that's happening that night. So please subscribe and share, and tell your friends, your family, your neighbors, your strangers, whoever. Tell them to subscribe so that we can get those 73 more subscribers to reach 500, and I can do my live feed. It'll be my first ever live feed. So on that note, chi è parola catalogisa? A parola catalogisa hoy è tinda o torbeta, or tindu and torbitu. It means bad, when somebody's bad. In Italian we say cattivo or cattiva. So let's put in a sentence. Mi come tindu sadevo, mi che torbitu sadevo. Mamma mia come cattivo quello bambino. My how that boy is bad. So usually it's referred to children. That's how I put it in the context today. But you can use it in many ways. You can be creative with it. So go ahead and try it out. And on that note, please share. Subscribe to Italiani di Montreale Amici on YouTube. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu.